Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the word multiples. And multiples means nothing but the product. So over here I have made a flower which is having 3 in the center and we are having 10 petals. And if I have to tell you the multiples of 3, it starts with 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, then we are having 21, 24, 27 and 30. Right? Like that, if we will come here in the multiples of 6, we are having first multiple 6 ones are 6, then 6 are 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, then the next is 42, then 48, 54 and the last one will be 60. And now you must be thinking ma'am is simply writing the table of these two numbers, isn't it? Table of 3 and table of 6. So they all are the multiples of the number which is in the center. Rest all are the multiples of the number 3. And now see this picture. What I have done is, instead of making the flower, I have written table of 3 on left side and table of 6 on right side. In the center, the numbers which you can see in center are the numbers which are coming in table of 3 also as well as table of 6 also. So, we are writing the common multiples for number 3 and the number 6. And now, if I arrange both the tables in same manner, we can easily compare. We are having 6 here and in table of 6 also. We are having 12 in table of 3 and in table of 6. We are having 18 in table of 3 as well as in 6. Then coming ahead to 24 is there in both the tables and the next number is 6. Common multiples. So if you have to tell me which all are the common multiples, you will say 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. And let me tell you class, the numbers don't end up here. It can be more than that also. It's because we have learned tables up to 10, means 3 tens are 30 and 6 tens are 60. It doesn't mean इसके आगे table नहीं होते. We can multiply 3 by 11 also. And the same case we can multiply 6 by 11 also. And we can continue writing the multiples. Now these are the common multiples. And if I choose the smallest common multiple, it will be called as the term least common multiple. Means it is the smallest common multiple, which is your term LCM. So today we are going to study about LCM, and before understanding how to find LCM, we should know what is the meaning of the term LCM. LCM is nothing but we are just finding the common multiples, and out of that common multiples we are finding the smallest common multiple, which is called as least common multiple. So today we are going to calculate LCM by the method prime factorization. We have taken two numbers, number 12 and number 15. First we'll find out the method of prime factorization for the factors of 12. So 12 comes in 2's table at 6, and then 6 is again divisible by 2. We can write 2 3s are 6. 3 is not divisible by 2. We will move to the next prime number and we get the factor 2, 2 and 3. The next number is 15. 15 is not divisible by 2. We will move to the next prime number 3. 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is not divisible by 3. So we will move to the next prime number, which is 5 itself. And we are having a number 1. So over here I have written the factors of 12 as 2, 2 and 3, and the factors of 15 as 3 and 5. Now after that, the next step of finding LCM will be, we will find out all the factors which are present here. Now since 2 is there 2 times, we don't have 2 in 15, doesn't matter, we are going to write 2 and 2. Now 3 and 1 time 3 in 15 is common, so we will write it once only. Along with that, the rest factor which is left is 5. So we will be writing all the factors present in both the numbers. If something is repeated, we will take it once only. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are, the answer is 60. So it means 60 is the least common multiple. 60 is a number which comes in 12's table also. 60 is a number which comes in 15's table also. So the least common multiple for 12 and 15 is number 60. So here is a solved example of prime factorization method in your book, which has taken 3 numbers 8, 24 and 36. First, all factors are written in a sequence. After that, they are just checking which all factors are coming. Like in 8 we have 3 times 2, over here it is 3 times 2 again and 2 times 2. So the maximum number of times is 3. We are writing 3 times 2. Now 3 which is coming 1 time in 24 and 2 time in 36, but it is not coming in 8. But still we are going to take 2 times 3. So that is the answer. We multiply all the digits and we get answer 72.